Hi everyone, it's Anja from Cooking with Plants and welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to make a red cabbage salad that's inspired by red cabbage that my mum used to cook when I was a child. So I don't want to cook hot cabbage today. I don't want to heat this up and cook it down like she used to do. She would cook it up with some apples, etc. And I thought I would just see what was in my fridge and make use of that, and I've come up with such a simple recipe that is so delicious, and everyone that I've served this to absolutely loves it, and I hope that you love it as much as I do. So what I've done is I had a quarter of a red cabbage in the fridge, so I've shredded that up finely, just taken the core out and then shredded up the rest of that cabbage. So what I'm going to do is add some pear to this. I didn't have apple on hand, but you could easily substitute apple into this. But I've just chopped up half of a pear and it's just in little pieces, but you could also put it into little slices, however you prefer, whatever textures you prefer, just do that. And then I've got 2 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar that I'm adding into this. Then I really want to add something creamy and nutty to this. So I have 2 tablespoons of almond butter that I'm going to add to this mixture. And this is just going to really give it a fantastic mouthfeel and just combine beautifully with those other ingredients to just make this taste absolutely amazing. And finally, I'm adding a pinch of coarse Celtic sea salt. It just adds to the flavor and it brings out the sweetness of the pear, and it just adds a really nice rounded flavor to this salad. So what I'm going to do is actually get my hands in here. I have washed them, they're ready to go. And if you prefer, if you don't like getting your hands into the salad and mixing it around, then you can use tongs or put some gloves on, however you prefer to cook your food. But I just like feeling the food that I'm working with and just getting in touch with what I'm cooking. So I'm just going to give this a nice big mix up, and just that actually helps to break down the cabbage a bit too and to make it into a beautiful salad and a beautiful consistency. Okay, so now that I've finished mixing this and really combining those ingredients well, I'm just going to quickly wash my hands and then give this a taste test. So this is my favorite part of the recipe, and that's to eat it. So I'm just going to give this a bit of taste, getting all of those bits and pieces on my fork. Oh my gosh, it's so yummy. What a great combination. Those flavors just combine so well, and that pear, the crunch of the pear in here is so delicious. And you can even add some walnuts through this for a little bit of extra crunch. That would be amazing. This salad is so quick and easy to make. The flavor is phenomenal and the textures are just amazing as well. I hope you give this a try. It's so delicious, and I would love to see your creation. Take a photo of it and share it over on my Facebook page. I would love to see you making this. It is yum, yum, yum. And if you're struggling to cook plant-based or don't know how to put your meals together, then I have got a free 7-day meal plan down below that you can download straight to your computer and then print it out, take the shopping list with you and get organized for the week. It'll show you breakfast, lunch, dinner and snacks and keep you going for a whole week of healthy eating. In the meantime, give this a try because it's absolutely delicious, and I can't wait to have this afternoon. I've got some friends coming over and we're going to have a little bit of a vegan barbecue, so I'll be serving this alongside those things as well. Enjoy, and I'll see you for the next recipe. Bye for now.